Hey, it's Joey, and I'm really excited to bring you today's deal on the solar-powered garden stake light. Now this is a super easy way to spruce up your lawn, garden, or outdoor pathways with some beautiful and elegant lighting. Now what sets this light apart is the unique solar panel design. It's actually made to capture sunlight from any direction thanks to the 360-degree swivel and 180-degree tilt. Now on a full charge, this light will run for about 8 hours, which is enough to last you all night long, and there's even a light sensor which will automatically turn the light on at dusk and off at dawn. It seriously couldn't be any easier. Once you get your light, flip the switch underneath the solar panel to on. Then remove the plastic stake from the base of the light, flip it around, and reinsert it, and now you're ready to place it wherever you like. Now my favorite part about this light is the adjustable focus beam, which can go from a wide floodlight to a narrow spotlight. This is great for illuminating pathways or highlighting something specific like your decorative plants or flowers. And the bulb itself is 100 lumens, which makes it perfect for accent illumination. It also features a wing nut which you can use to tilt the light and lock it in place. These lights are going to look spectacular all around your home, and they're even weatherproof, which means you never have to worry about them in inclement weather. Plus, when you buy more, you save more, so make sure you count up how many you need and head on over to the site and pick up a few today.